So I'm Carly. I've owned the Red Hill Brighton Beautiful for 10 years, and then we took over Crawley and Horsham Brighton Beautiful 2 years ago. Before Brighton Beautiful, I'm a trained accountant, so I was a regional finance manager for Mears, who are a big construction company. I travelled the country a lot, I worked long hours, and then I had my second son, didn't want to go back to doing the same hours, so was looking at different sort of business options, different franchises, so that I could make it work for me and around my family. Brighton Beautiful really stood out to me. I looked at a few different franchises. I met some and they weren't nice people. They weren't the sort of company I wanted to work for. I then met Brighton Beautiful on the same day as another one, and they were a breath of fresh air, really. It was welcoming, they were friendly, and they were the sort of people I wanted to work with. What makes us stand out is we are a premium service. We are very high end. We're not suitable for everybody. And I think that's a big thing to remember when you are out quoting. There's some quotes we simply don't want to win. The business model is flawless. If you stick to it, you will get the result you need. You will make the income you want to make. You will build an amazing business, and you will continue to grow. I speak to my FBC probably at least twice a week. Even if I don't have much to update her on, I just run ideas past her. She's a sounding board for me, really. We have monthly meetings. It's a good chance to look at the figures, see if I've grown how I want to grow, make a business plan going forwards. If there's any issues I think are going to arise, we can sort of work on them before they become a big problem. The best thing about being a Brighton Beautiful franchisee is I've got control of my life. I've got the freedom to sort of design the lifestyle I need. I've got the office support. I've got amazing teams on the road. They're more than self-sufficient. I know if I need to step away for a week and have a nice holiday, I can do that without needing to be on call 24/7, because that's the culture I've built within my business. At the same time, when I'm in the business, I work very hard to grow it, and everybody plays their roles. I think anyone considering a Brighton Beautiful franchise, I think you just need to know if you're willing to put in the hard work, you will reap the benefits from it. If I could go back 10 years, I would 100% do it all again, but I would actually work harder to get to my goals quicker than I have.